I'm Eric from Curipod here. So in this video, I wanted to address how we've built the STAAR test prep in Curipod and how it works. So first of all, when we build test prep, it needs to be as aligned as possible to the real test. Obviously, because we want the students to get to practice how the test will grade them. But the problem with most test prep is that it's also incredibly boring for the students, making it hard to do enough test prep. So in Curipod, we build it aligned to the text, but we allow you to generate texts and topic the students care about, as you've seen in the different examples here. This means you can align it to what the students care about and increase the engagement. In addition, we have AI feedback aligned to the STAR rubric. Now, what does this give you? First of all, it gives your students practice for how the STAR will be graded. And it's very useful to get to practice how AI grades. Secondly, AI feedback allows for timely feedback. So feedback when the students really needs it. And it really makes a big difference because if you have to bring it home and grade it, the students will get the feedback 2-3 days later. They've already forgotten what they wrote. The difference between feedback and timely feedback, it's so important. And lastly, AI feedback allows for constant iteration because you don't have to bring all the texts home and grade them and spend your weekend and grading them and then go back to the classroom. You can actually have everyone write their SCR and then get feedback, and then you can redo it in that same lesson, which allows for a different pace of iteration. And it's a combination of those timely feedback and topics students care about that really makes the magic happen. It means the students are interested to keep on practicing, and you are able to allow them to keep on practicing because you don't need to take it home and grade it every time. And last year, a district near the Texas border saw the significant improvement using Curipod. 6th grade students practiced weekly by reading passages, responding to prompts, and receiving instant rubric-based feedback. And the result? It was a 22% increase in student achieving meets and master scores on the STAR. I'll make sure I'll link to that case study further on here. And good luck with the rest of your course.